Hey guys, welcome back. I hope you're having a great day. Today we are going to do a grocery shopping haul video thanks to the suggestion from Dian Christinaa. If you missed the video all about Giant Express here in Yogyakarta and you would like to see why it is my favorite place to shop, we'll put a link up here so you can go check that out. Let's get started with the shopping haul. So we went shopping today at Giant Express and picked up some things. So this is what we got. The first thing right here is coconut oil. And the grocery store is cold, and so it's still in a solid form, and that's why it's white. It will liquefy soon because it is really warm in our house. The next items are ingredients that we're going to use to make chicken soup for dinner tonight. So I have some bean sprouts, and we're going to have cucumber and tomatoes, and you probably are wondering what the prices are for these. So this is 3,800 rupees for 2 tomatoes and 3,100 rupees for 1 cucumber, 17,500 rupees for bean sprouts. Next, I purchased a bunch of shallots. They didn't have a whole lot of individual ones to pick yourself, so I bought a whole thing of shallots and garlic. This garlic for 3 big heads of garlic was 5,000 rupees. For lunch today, we're gonna have chicken with broccoli and carrots. So I have 2 carrots here for 5,400 rupees. And Sarah asked me to get some apples. So I got her 2 apples. These are actually Malang apples, and they were 5,000 rupees for 2 apples. So that's our first bag. Bag number 2. We have broccoli, which we love broccoli. This one is 7,600 rupees. This one is 11,800 rupees. And this one is 9,500 rupees. So that's gonna be our lunch today with our chicken and our carrots. I also got, to go along with our soup for dinner tonight, 3 limes, and this is 3,100 rupees. We bought 3 bananas. Seth likes the ones that are still kind of green, and this is only 700 rupees. 700 rupees for these 3 bananas. 2 kinds of peanuts, 4 boxes of energy drinks, and some Baileys because I'm going to be cooking chili beans for potluck on Sunday. I needed some Baileys, and these are just dried. So that's bag number 2. Okay, bag number 3. 2 things of napkins. This is the type of laundry detergent that I prefer. It's liquid, so this is laundry soap. And I bought 2 things of hand soap. I prefer the hand over the bar soap. Sandals for Seth. His are getting worn out, so we bought him some new sandals. So that is bag number 3. Okay, this is our next bag. It's a small one, and it's separated because it has a whole chicken in it. This is a broiler chicken. 29, almost 30,000 for this chicken, and I'm gonna use this to make our chicken soup tonight. And then also, the last thing I bought was 2 packs of toilet paper. And each of these packs has 2, 4, 6, 8, 10 rolls in them. And I usually stock up on things like this when I go to the grocery store, like soap and toilet paper, things like that, because I don't like to have to go get those by themselves all the time. So this is my receipt, and everything total cost 456,120 rupees. Thanks, Dian, for your suggestion for this video today. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Check out the Giant video if you've missed it, because it truly is my favorite place to shop in Yogyakarta. If you guys have any other suggestions that you think that I could do, let me know in the comments below. Hope you guys have a great day and keep smiling.